my friends, how are we doing? Got a little short for you here. If you might have noticed watching a few of my videos, all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the large trash cans in my shop are all the exact same size and all on wheels. And that's not by accident. I have a very good reason for doing that, and I never thought about telling it to you all. You might have noticed if you've seen some close-ups on the top of my trash cans. But let me show you how versatile a trash can is. If you have all the same size, all the same kind, and they're on wheels, the right kind of wheels, of course, and you want good, durable trash cans. These ones made by Burke are awesome. Let me show you what I mean, my friends, and I hope we can put out a little trash here. Are ready? Hey, my friends. These trash cans can be used for a lot more than a trash can, even when you're working on a large object and you want to move it around the shop. They are wonderful. They roll together, they'll turn. It works great all the time. Guys, that little ornamental top on there, sitting there, is made out of plaster. It's sitting on top of that trash can and weighs just over 100 pounds. And when I airbrushed it, this is how I did it. And it's so easy to spin, move around. Just makes a great workbench for things like that. And a lumber cart for going all around the shop, moving your lumber around. Boy, does it work wonderful. So many uses for the buggy. Let's put those clamps over there where we got to glue up the other side, bud. My friends, this one I really get a lot of use of around the shop. Okay. This is one of the best work carts I have going around the shop. And what I did here, you can see it's just a basic piece of 3/4. Let me see. Set my stuff I'm using aside here for you. This one I put little boards in the back to hold it in place on the trash can. Man, it is just great. I've even rolled Mr. Berto around on here. And you gotta have these little wheel units. They're sold separately. They're like a dolly all by themselves. They can be taken off the trash can and used as a roll-around dolly. Alrighty guys, and to think this is just a trash can. That is a 5-gallon bucket. Fits perfectly around on them. Need a roll-around chair? There you go. Why keep so many tools when you can do it all with a trash can? Alright guys, and I'm able to shoot this roll-around video. Show y'all something. You ain't gonna believe what I do with this little block of wood when you see it. I was gonna buy a roll around jig for my tripod for the camera work, but oh no, trash can does it. And by itself, guys, it makes a great roll around dolly for moving things around the shop. Put 2 of them together and do long objects, just like you can do with the trash can on top of it. But wait guys, there's more. It's a trash can. Shop tool or trash can? Which is it? This is the question. Hey there my friends, I hope y'all find a little use in that. The particular trash can I use is the 32-gallon by Brute with the wheel kit that goes on it. And I kid you not, those things are just so practical for multitude of uses, as you saw there. They do sell it as a set. You can get it a little cheaper if you buy it as a set. The big box stores sell them independently. It's the commercial grade when you want, and I'm going to put y'all a link for that in the show more section of the video down there. The 32 ounce soft drink. The 32 ounce soft drink, or the 32 gallon trash can, tops out just right at about 31 inches high with the wheels on it. 31 and a half type thing, which is an inch or two lower than a perfect working surface. So with the board propped on top and stuff, and they are so durable. I mean, I have overloaded the top of those trash cans with lumber and things, and they work great. And by them all being the same size, like I say, you can use two of them together at the same time. Hope y'all find a little use in that, my friends. Little quick video tip there for you. Have a good one, guys. Great to be here with you as always. And I got to get back to work. See you in a bit, my friends. Bye now.